Hi programmers, so this time I have something new, that is Apple AirPods Pro. Just wanted to see how that will be connected to those systems. So iPhone and iPad, I have the watch as well plus Mac, that I'm gonna show you in the later videos. So link will be in the description below. Okay, let's start unboxing it. As soon as I open this, okay, designed by California. Wow, that genuinely looks premium actually. Okay, so what's inside? Okay, you got type C cable. I have type C as well, so you open it. That is huge actually. Okay, so I'm just opening it. Let's see how it works. Okay, I got something here for my iPad. Okay, I haven't received anything. Okay, I got this one here as well. That's really cool. Okay, I have to skip for now. That's fine. Skip for now. Okay, it shows like this. Noise control, press and hold AirPods to switch the button. Okay, that's fine. It shows over here and skip. For now I'll just make it adaptive sound. Turn on adaptive sound. Yes. Okay, a lower media volume when I start speaking. That's fine. And that is overall done. Okay, it shows here that is connected, but over here it's not, I think so. Okay, it's connected as well here. AirPods Pro. Actually, I just connected to one of the devices, as all my devices connected to one iCloud. That's why it's synced, I think so. So let me quickly go on YouTube and open something, anything, for example, blah blah blah. And if I'm opening this one, let me open anything related to something like. So if I'm opening this, let's see, will it be connected? Okay, so it will be connected as soon as I put that one in my ears. So let me quickly check that. Yep, so it's connected. I can hear you here. But if I wanted to go back here, then hear that one. So that is being fluctuating in between. So yeah, that's all. And it has a really good, I would say, synchronization between the devices. To plug it. I don't know. Yeah, that's all. And the other one is the other one in my ears. Here you go. Yeah, so I have this one here. Let me check. MagSafe. Yes, that blinks and says beautiful sound, tongue, and something like that. If I go here, now you can hear a sound. Yeah, that's all about it. So now in the next video, I'm gonna connect this one, and MacBook and Apple Watch. Let's see how all those things gonna connect with this one device. I love ecosystems. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe so that you will understand how those things gonna work and then gives really good productivity. Thanks for watching. See you then.